How to add Cash App card to Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to add the Cash App card to Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add a Cash App card to Venmo, okay? Just don't panic or don't worry because there is nothing complicated at all. Just some easy steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add Cash App card to Venmo. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do now is to go to your phone and then go to Venmo app and open it. Okay, after opening Venmo app, what you need to do now is to click on settings. Okay, after clicking on settings, there are a lot of options here, but what matters to us now is payment methods. So let's click on payment methods. Okay, and after clicking on payment methods, what you need to do now is to click on add a bank. Okay, and after clicking on add a bank, you're gonna find the option of bank card. So what we need to do is to click on bank. Okay, so let's click on the first one, which is bank, and then we will not click on next, but we will click on verify bank manually instead. Okay, so just click on it. Alright, so now they're gonna ask you to enter routing number and account number. Okay, so now what we need to do is to go back to Cash App so we can find the routing number and account number of your account. So I'm gonna show you right now how you can find it. Don't worry, it's so easy. Just go and open Cash App and then go to your balance here. And after going to your balance, you're gonna find direct deposit. Just click on it, and after clicking on it, you just need to scroll down, and here you're gonna find your routing number and account number. You just need to click on copy the account number or routing number and go back again to Venmo and enter the routing number in its place and account number in its place here. And after you just need to confirm account number again and just click on save and continue, and like this your Cash App card is added successfully to your Venmo. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're going to be able to add the Cash App card to Venmo. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.